I'm Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of tenniscorrectcase.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press that notification bell too, so that you will not miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are going to learn about classes, the concept of classes. Okay, this is a really important concept. So sit back and have a look. What are classes? Cool. Sorry. That was really good. Okay, so ECMScript 2015, also known as ES6, introduced JavaScript classes. JavaScript classes are templates for JavaScript objects. Okay, so take it like that you have created a class named cookie cutter, and then you can make lots of cookies out of the cookie cutter. Okay, so it is like that. So the cookie cutter is the class, and the lots of cookies are the objects. JavaScript class syntax. Use the keyword class to create a class. Always add a method named constructor. So class name and constructor. Okay. So you will know more about constructor method down in this video. Further in this video. Okay. So there's an example, proper example. Class car constructor, and we are passing it name and year. And this dot name is equal to name. Okay, and this dot year is equal to the year. Okay, and this is referring to the class car. Okay, right now. The example above creates a class named car. Okay, the class has two initial properties, name and year. Okay. A JavaScript class is not an object. It is a template for JavaScript objects. So take it like cookie cutter example. That example I gave above. Okay. Using a class. When you have a class, you can use the class to create objects. So for example, let my car 1 is equal to new car Ford and 2014, and let my car 2 new car Audi 2019. So let's try this. So look, here's this constructor method. We are passing its name and year. So the class has two properties, name and year. Okay. What should I say? You have to pass two properties to the class car. Okay, and this dot name is equal to name and this dot year is equal to year. So my car new car Ford and 2015. Okay, 2014. Sorry, I am saying 2015 again and again. I don't know. Okay, so let's see that, and document the get element by ID demo dot inner HTML my car dot name plus space plus my car dot year. Okay, so this line will bring the name. So the name, my car dot name, and my car dot year. So my car dot year. So this dot year. It will bring these. Okay. I hope it is quite clear. The example above uses a car class to create two car objects. Okay. The constructor method is called automatically when a new object is created. Okay. So you see, just drink a sip of water. Okay. The constructor method. The constructor method is a special method. Okay. it has to have the exact name constructor. Okay, constructor. Okay, it is executed automatically when a new object is created. Okay, so whenever a new object is created, it is called automatically. It is used to initialize object properties. So you can initialize object properties in it. So like here we initialize, in this example, we initialize object properties over here. This dot name and is equal to name, and this dot year is equal to year. Okay, so this is initialize. Okay, initializing. Okay, if you don't, why is it okay? So if you don't do if you don't if you do what is this sentence? It is used to initialize object properties. If you do not define a constructor, why she put it? I don't know. If you do not define a constructor method, JavaScript will add an empty constructor method itself. Okay, so like if you are not put a constructor method, that means that you don't want to initialize any properties, but like almost every time you need to initialize properties first. So for that you have to use the constructor method. Okay, so you know now why do we make the constructor method. Okay, class methods. Class methods are created with the same syntax as object methods. Use the keyword class to create a class. Always add a constructor method. Then add any number of methods. Okay. So syntax, class name, constructor method, and method 1, method 2, method 3. Okay. Create a class method named age that returns a car age. So like let's see this example now. We are creating a class car. Okay, so constructor name year, we are making the constructor method over here. So we are initializing two like properties, this dot name and this dot year, and then we are making our own method age inside the class, and in that we will do let date new date. Okay, so return date dot get full year minus this dot year. So my car is 6 years old. So if you want to like see what does this do, so I'll just return date over here. So you will see what is happening. So my Tuesday, December 8, 2020, 17:49, 47, and all. So okay. So it brings the current date. Okay. Current time. Okay. And day dot get full year minus this dot here. Get full year minus this dot here. So do you want to see what does get full year do? Let's see. 2020. So 2020. It is 2020. So it will bring the current year. Okay. The current year that is going on. Minus this dot year. So like if the user has passed 2014 and if you subtract 2014 from 2020, then it will give 6. Okay, 6 years old car. So let's see over. So we are creating an object of the class. Let my car is equal to new car Ford and 2014, and over here it is subtracting 2020 with 2014, that is 6. So over here we are doing document.getElement by id demo.html. So we are this statement is like writing stuff on the screen. Okay, my car is, so it will write my car is and a space plus my car dot age. So it will call the age method and see what is the age, that is 6. It will give us 6 plus space years old. So space years old. So it will say my car is 6 years old. Okay. You can send parameters to class methods. So if you do this over here like this, so let's see what is the difference. We are creating the same constructor method. The class name is same. So age X. So we are passing. We have to pass and we have to pass pass we have to send the parameter to the class method. Okay. So okay, and then return X minus this dot year. Okay. Let date is equal to new date. Let year is equal to date dot get full year. Okay. And now let my car. So this is an object, and I told you what does new date and get full year do. And over here, document dot get element by id demo dot inner HTML. My car is okay. My car is plus my car dot age and year. Okay. So we are passing it the year, and year is 2020 because year this will give us 2020. I'll show you just like this. So you see 2020. Okay. So if I do command, okay, yeah. And okay. So my car dot age and year. So this will subtract this dot year, the year that we passed from 2020. Okay, years old. Cool. Browser support. The following table defines the first browser version with full support for classes in JavaScript. Chrome 49, March 2016. Edge 12, July 2015. Firefox 45, March 2016. Safari 9, October 2015. Opera 36, March 2016. You will learn a lot more about JavaScript classes later in this tutorial. Okay, this chapter is done. So this was like the basics of classes. How can you make a class? How can you make objects of the class? Okay, so this was the basics of classes. We have not gone so much deep into classes because classes is a really large topic. Okay, so when I will learn, I will surely try to make the advanced thing of this, maybe that going deep into classes. Okay, this was just the basic intro of classes. What are classes? So we will learn a lot more about classes. So I hope this video was informative for you. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. It really motivates me. And please subscribe too. It really motivates me a lot and means to me a lot too. So please subscribe, like, share, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy. And keep watching my videos and subscribe.